See? For forward past stage, a Vybz Kartel.
Naya, cool na aya. Who am I? It's just the girl, them sugar.
Tell them, we no love man, take your yaya for me. I see you save girl a try ya for me.
Nuffy recent interview with talk about Freedom Street, Vybz Kartel, Spice, Zane, and talk about who crown as the king of dancehall and who crown. Well, I never think him talk about who crown king of reggae, but him crown, who him put the crown, who him give the crown a dancehall. Zane, so we're going to play the clip so you can hear for yourself what Nuffy have to say, and then we'll elaborate on it. Cartel, we are getting the crown right now. Zane and Bob Marley still at the king of reggae, no matter alive or dead. So
Quite easy. You know hard.
The king of dancehall.
Yeah. Vybz Kartel.
Naya, cool na aya.
Who is my king of dancehall? It's Vybz Kartel. It's very simple. I not have to go in and debate and discuss or try to disrespect nobody. I don't disrespect people. Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall.
Let's
In my book.
Let's look at
and say it for himself, the king of dancehall, the gods are done. Yeah man, making content.
Thank you.
thousands of people. About how many people were there?
A lot of people, man. About 40 up on the ground and more in I stand.
Right?
Yeah, 40 G. And it's a high-end show. And there's nobody in Jamaica. When we did see him, with 6 years I'm not in Jamaica, and Vybz Kartel 13 years in a prison and come out. I mean, not seen other artists could have do that. Could have full up the stadium there and, you know, have more people outside kill themselves for coming in, because show the energy and the, you know, the Gaza and the whole vibes and things. So you don't know the people, them things that the Gaza people, them are hooligan, which they are not. So the police, them did try to be more careful about who and who them are let in and how fast them let in the people. So a lot of people never even get inside of the venue. Yeah, it's anticipation to see the Gaza general, the king of dancehall, the Gaza Dan.
Several rumors going around about the people and how many critics were give away and all that kind of nonsense.
But if you are the entertainer and every night you're out, seeing, I remember Vybz Kartel is one of the promoters, just like why Down Sound Crew, Joe Bagdan a bit, Scatterboyle and Carl and Bob and the whole team, you know, and Palmer, big up yourself, you know, top security. They know what's going on because them can't see where the ticket are go.
Right.
And Vybz Kartel, even before the night of the show, Vybz Kartel is still in a club, a party.
And a giveaway ticket.
And a giveaway, and him not give away ticket saying ticket not selling. Him already know the show sell out, because him tell me. So enough of the show sold out. And it's a high-end show.
Right.
And it's not a cheap show.
But tickets were giveaway though.
They have to give a ticket. I wish. Listen. You know the age and the days of Sting. Which show in a Jamaica cannot give a ticket? And Sting, I one of the show, just like why Sunfest, give away the most ticket. Cannot care how much the people them buy the ticket. Artists, and when they say give away ticket, and I give away ticket to patron and fans, artist fans get the ticket.
Right.
Because me get 100 ticket.
Right.
And I say give away your fans and your people and friends. You get me a deal with?
I don't like that. Because I have a cousin with a MCT, you know, the manager get a 156 pass, you know. You see me? And either him sell one or him give her one or give her two of them, and the rest of them are me and him and my next cousin, I want one female. Gone. I want two female, gone as thing. So we know them vibration there. So you go, man, you know. Anybody who keep stage show at Jamaica and give her two tickets, them a corruption, man. A corruption them straight. So what you have to say about Sting now? What go on a Sting? Why Sting postpone on the day when Sting for came?
A lot of people are saying Sting is dead.
Sting not dead, man. He just want the brand is not dead. It's just that he just want to rebrand and forward again. Freedom Street is the winner. And me that try to show Laing that's a Laing and a winner right now, so better you just cancel. Whether you want cancel or you want postpone. At the end of the day, or if you did Sting for Freedom Street. Me and Vybz Kartel grew, I know Vybz Kartel before me know Laing.
Right.
So me and Cartel a friend before Laing. So me know Cartel. You see, so an addiction is just a family thing. It's just like Vybz Kartel, are the big top breadwinner in our family. Anything change about that?
Can Sting come back?
No, hold on. Me ask you, anything change about that?
No.
Okay. So if a Freedom Street at the top show and I draw the man with the money and I him all of the sponsor they want to see and I him do the thing, how do you think everybody are going to run to?
Freedom Street.
Good.
So you say Sting can come back? What?
Yeah, it just have to just rebrand and forward. Laing back off, leave him son alone and make the thing working at the right and proper way. Because at the moment, it's not Laing them really interested for work with. And him have that bad stigma there. So it have to fix. Even if Laing did come and say, you know, me I get the show to my son and Nuffy, it'll be different. Artists would have want to come willingly and ready to work. But them don't want to work with Laing.
Right. You had advised Laing to postpone the show. He didn't. But on the day after the show, it was postponed. How do you feel about
That, I feel bad and I feel shame. I feel shame for know say the day of the show, yeah, postponed. When me already know say show. Me and every day know say show can keep. Me and every day know say the show can keep. Cause automatically me tell Laing, say if you can get popcorn or you can get massacre or alkaline, don't bother keep the show. And none of them artists say they want to do the show for certain reasons, all because of him. We tell them plain truth. Now go around the corner and hide it. You understand? So you have to just understand, say, Sting not dead. Him are the person who they really don't want to work with. Simple.
Sting for forward back, you know. Yeah man, Sting for forward back, because Sting is one of the greatest one night show on earth. And we witnessed some great lyrical clashes over the years on Sting. Whole heap of years of clashes and whole heap of youth, whole heap of man get them talent highlighted on Sting. And Sting a part of the culture too. Aside, so we need to work on that and get it up and running and bring back the vibe there to the culture. And don't play with the thing.
Cartel has strength or nothing got paid?
You come like you know see where go on. Joe pay me and Cartel pay me. Me dey in a hotel for a month and was highly paid.
You got paid twice.
I was highly paid. I'm the highest paid MC.
What you get?
That's my business.
That's the sound of money. Money. Boom, boom. We're counting the money, see?
I talk about him pay. So if you was a subscriber, when you think nothing get paid for show, or you think I just word of mouth him and he was him no want it, seems the type of you think him do a show for free because him brag and boast about Cartel so. And you think if you can brag and boast about some, because we are Jamaican, we not fool, you know. We not stupid. If you are brag, if me know vybzkartel, me are brag and boast about Cartel. Say Cartel this, Cartel that. You think me I go charge Cartel to go up on him show? To fall upon him show? I'm not go charge him.
Nobody not know how much me get, but listen, I am the highest paid MC. Remember say, Joe did call me for Sunfest. See? And when me tell him say I want 10 grand, right? Because when you go do a big show like that, me want for just one night, because remember so Sunfest have many nights. For one night, if for one night me I work, I pay me 6,000. So if me I go do 3 nights, me I go scale down back the money, but me I go fix it. You understand? Me not go charge him 6,000 a night. See, me make it to 4 a night. So if me I go do 3 nights, you know it go. But you know me inside the money they are going to charge now, you know, because I am that.
But whatever you got, you're satisfied.
More satisfied. You say Joe pay me and Cartel pay me. And me alone have 2 hotels and 2 security. Them book me over AC and them book me over our hotel. Because when Joe book me and have my hotel during the time, Cartel did have the room over there ready for me long time. See? Say nuffy when you're ready. When we reach a airport, I'm going to tell you some high-end vehicle when I'm in a mall and Samuel's high-end vehicle. I have a bulletproof vehicle driving now. See? A bulletproof vehicle driving and 2 police. Fisher, big up yourself.
You got your own security.
Me have my own security.
Was
See?
that needed?
I have a big up, eh?
Was that needed?
Yeah, man. Then nothing no INMC, man. Come on. Them get iron money, top money, real money. Because I'm the dearest artist, like I'm the dearest MC.
But is it
Are you hear how much him get, you know?
Yes.
You never hear me say it.
What you
But
say?
him get top money,
But what you say?
real money,
How much you get?
top money,
What you think?
money where, you
If
understand?
you don't know, you don't know, you know.
No, me no know, me say real money.
You
I feel like a liar tell still. You see me? We feel like a lie. We feel like I do a show free. You might get a little thing, but we feel like I do a show free. Me feel like I do a show based upon how you attack. We feel like the show was done free. You might get a pocket money, but you never get paid for your show, man. We love to see the reunion with the Spice and thing. But we hear what you have to say about it.
You made up with Spice.
Yes.
But for years there was a few.
A Vybz Kartel do that in a big up cartel.
How you feel that you are
Great, you know. Good, you know. It was a nice, you know, makeup, you know. Hug up Spice and feel nice and get a nice kiss on her neck and say, yes, Gracie, big up yourself, you know.
when Spice hugged you?
I feel it. Yes, me feel it. I feel that thing that she said. We never really have to discuss nothing about who wrong from who right, but she still say to me, say, you know, you bother me, you know, you trouble me, you know, I mean, I say, if you're just a Gracie, I say, go, hey, go. I mean, I say, why you trouble me enough? I mean, I say, hungry, you know, me have to attack you, I think you just understand, say, you know, why enough you attack me hungry, and I say, why you never tell me, say, if you tell us I'm hungry, Gracie, I make you go tell the world to be hungry. But anyway, Gracie, big up.
See him did hungry, when be trouble Gracie. Just know, next time Gracie, and then see him hungry, and then see my trouble, just know say I'm hungry. I him say it, I never mean. Run it. So we're going with scatter and popcorn. Cause we hear popcorn forward and say it's a lifetime moment. SYM. So we're going there, so.
And the popcorn scatter saga.
Popcorn and scatter saga, a simple saga, man, and not whenever happened in a dancehall before. Or something that can walk over and look over and just run out and tell him, say, commercial break! Ready again! You understand? That's something we're happening regular, man, and nothing where me never see before. Things like that happen all the time because it's dancehall. Dancehall people come with a lot of certain type of energy, and artists and fans and friends and people who love artists and people who love promoter. They will have them difference at times, so you have to understand. So, and not where I go, you know, what happened with scatter and popcorn is showing a sign of dancehall is back. Right. Why? Because Cartel is back. The face, the boss, the king, the general, the president, the people's choice, the social media boss, the promotional boss is back.
Glad for know say after 13 years Cartel can touch back the stage and will enjoy with the fans them and family and the world and the artists them. Glad for know that, we love that. You know what I mean? So thumbs up, big up Vybz Kartel and big up Freedom Street and the whole Gaza Nation. We love to know say the man get back piece of freedom and he could have all enjoy with the people them, his family and everyone will make it possible. We make the Freedom Street possible. John know nuffy talk some things still no. Man you will call foot hype name. You must say about foot hype.
Foot hype. Look at the situation. What's your, if you were to say one thing for foot hype, what would it be?
Me think foot has stress over Aishana. Must stress over her. He must stress over one her in a dance hall. You know what I mean? What foot if you was the man that would, because them something happen to me. If you was the man that shouldn't happen to you. You know, I think if you change your ways and your behavior and the way you go at people, you know, it's bitchy. You know, the way you go at people and how you talk, you know, it sound like you sound bad mind and.
But you don't think sometimes it gives an honest review?
And I understand honest review. If you do honest review, do honest review and right and proper. Don't do it bitchy.
More fire nuffy. Tell them. Kind of a reality. That's what I say. That's hey, watch your man. And everybody will rate, you know. When you see me do a video and involve some of them entertainer, just know so we give them ratings. You see me? No joke. And we no fear say yes so. The man point. Rate that talk ya. Deal with the thing like a man. And not move like some girl. Love the drama thing and the excitement. And that's some people strive after. Drama, excitement. Without that, the man nobody. So I really talk, man I make. Really talk, man behave like man and stop behave like Mitzi or Patsy.
Right.
Don't do it like Missy or Mitzi. Don't in a bed lie down and not talk about a man. Don't in a bed and not talk about a man and car. Remember you did say foot or skin out on a car, you forgot? Okay. So what that show you? If you do an honest review, just do an honest review. Don't do it bitchy or missy like Mitzi. Don't make no sense. Be a man, do manly things. Man do manly things. Him still in a stress. Who talk to him baby mother? I could have never do that. Me also sound like just and you move on have other kids, have other woman, so why you still a worry about the other woman? Where you that pass already? You are worried about who and there with her and who no one there with her. Are you me that I'm saying because you cause who and what talk to her now behave like you and you still in another position there?
Can we look forward to seeing nothing?
Jano, so man for Lego some vibration. As me said, it's a drama and that some people strive after. So for that, them have to use to spark a fire, I them are going to use and spark a fire. Drama. And people love controversy. People love controversy. Them love them thing there. Anything for do it mix up and blend, people love them thing there. People love, yo, the Jamaican people them, most Jamaican, not all of them. Some Jamaican love people business more than all them love for them own. Watch out now, I'm going to talk about Laing as the king of dancehall.
The king of dancehall?
Yeah. Vybz Kartel. Who is my king of dancehall? It's Vybz Kartel. It's very simple. I don't have to go in and debate and discuss or try to disrespect nobody. I don't disrespect people. Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall.
Let's
in my book.
Let's look at it from a musical perspective.
Vybz Kartel.
Why is Vybz Kartel the king of dancehall?
Because Vybz Kartel come out, dancehall, Afrobeat drip up dancehall and TikTok drip up dancehall.
When things are TikTok and Afrobeat did a style for dancehall, when you leave on the thoughts in the comment, let me know. If you think TikTok and Afrobeat did a mash up dancehall.
Right? Why he is the king and I am the king of all MC. And Spice is the queen of dancehall. Anyway, TikTok and Afrobeat drip up dancehall for a minute. Have it in a chokehold. Nobody could not release it. Vybz Kartel forward July 31st. And for the man forward, the man not get Instagram nor TikTok a breeze. But them don't know what Cartel did, do me did know. The man a rebirth it back where it's supposed to get to the radio and to the street. Not even the street did have it, you know. Oh, it boom boom. They not do him thing, big him up. You know, him try hard, he can go hard. But I just a little bit of thing did not come out of it. But big up boom boom for that because every other else thing did weak, you know. See them? He couldn't move. So dance all the day in a chokehold. And from Vybz Kartel forward July 31st. All the day to him show. Him outside, I promote. And I say over here so dance all day. Alright, him come out in on social media. See? Everybody, if you look at Vybz Kartel. That not happening in a dancehall for this long while. I be a Vybz Kartel, I be a Vybz Kartel. So we have to remove it from over TikTok and remove the energy where people have it with Afrobeat. Have Vybz Kartel. So who come? That means I are the king. Remember the artist at you know. Or who could have gone in a stadium and charge that price? Which artist in a Jamaica could have gone in a national stadium and say 10,000 for Skybox?
I want to need for one. Tell him for going back to jerk turkey, you see it?
1,000 for company field. 500 on the track. Take a track at 300. 400 in I stand. Which artist in Jamaica can do that? More you tell me. No talk shoot, call the Spain. No. Me there Jamaica for a month. Cartel book me over AC Hotel and Joe book me over another hotel over there. As me tell you before, me have 2 security as me land. Me per them up. Cartel pay me, Joe pay me.
What advice would you give to Vybz Kartel?
No.
As a friend.
As a friend?
What advice would you
What kind of advice me could I really want to give Vybz Kartel? Every man there in a prison for 13 years. And what kind of advice me could I really want to give Cartel now? You know, see, I do everything from in the right line and then in the right lane and I do the right thing. See, a Cartel a godfather dancehall right now, you know. A Cartel a feed the people in a dancehall.
Where that go on? Me that yarn. Straight. You give me a little break, that's we can eat back little food.
Right, I see him every night at Mecca. Cartel got Mecca Monday, people come out. Cartel got Mecca Tuesday, people come out. They wish artists in Jamaica do that. Cartel got Mecca Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, return back again. Every night, him go to Mecca. Then I want the king then.
Naya. Cool na aya.
You want another, like you want high class? Somebody must want high class who want know why. Who do that? Which artists do that now? Man, I only entertain in the music business. I give him money every night. Every day I walk with $1 million done. Who him a feed? Dancehall people. Him a feed promoter. And that was the missing piece out of dancehall. And here comes the man and make say, how me fear keep a show and enough fear the host. See man where influence with most for come on stage and give you the energy for come on stage. Forward on stage. Why for the come?
Why me if you want?
Zine? For forward on stage. A Vybz Kartel.
Yo, Wallace, my face feel wow.
So there's no comparison, no disrespect to nobody. So who else could have really give the king of dancehall? Who else could have be the leader? He's the leader.
Naya. Cool na aya.
One of the leader and is the leader of dancehall. Which artist in a Jamaica could have gone in a stadium so they might keep a show? Well, live at Jamaica, in a Jamaica, and die at Jamaica.
Nuffy, I know for you that. And if you love the vibration, you know hear enough and if you agree with them, you left on the thoughts in the comment. And if you don't know, subscribe. We're going to leave it right there so we have other things to deal with. I will give thanks for the vibration and we love the interview. Big up everyone, we're joyful and we're thankful, hopeful and mighty.
Naya. Cool na aya. Who am I?